Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today's topic is types of algebraic expressions. As you know, in the last video we did algebraic expressions, and now we are going to do the types of algebraic expressions. So mainly there are three types of algebraic expressions. Number one is monomial expression, then binomial, and then polynomial. Okay, so the first one is monomial expression. So let me read the definition for you first. An algebraic expression which is having only one term is known as a monomial expression. As you all know, mono means one, so it is obvious from the name that the expression which is having only one term in the algebraic expression, that will be called monomial expression. For example, 5a raised to power 4, 10ab, 3c, 8d, or many others like 100ab, or 2c, or 1000 ab cube. These are the different examples of monomial expression because they have only one term. This is only one term, single term, single term. So all those algebraic expressions which has only one term, they are called monomial expressions. Okay, now the second one is binomial expression. Bi means two. Bi represents two. So many of you have already got idea that what is binomial expression. The algebraic expressions which has two terms, that algebraic expression will be called binomial expression. Like this one, this is the first example, 35b plus 8, because it has two terms. 35b is one term and the second term is 8. Then abc plus c cube, abc is the first one and c cube is the second term. So these two are the examples of binomial expression. We can have many others as well, like a cube plus 2b, or c plus 3, or 3a plus 4z. These all are the examples of binomial expressions because they are the algebraic expressions which have two terms in them. Okay, now the last one is polynomial expression. Poly means many. Poly means many. So all those algebraic expressions which has more than one term will be called polynomial expressions. Now you may confuse in the terms binomial expression and polynomial, because all those polynomial expressions are called all those binomial are in the category of polynomial, because polynomial represents all those algebraic expressions which has more than one term in them, and as binomial expression has two terms in them, so binomial expression is also polynomial expression. Okay, now polynomial expressions can have one, two, sorry, not one, because one will be monomial. So more than one means 2, 3, 4, 5, up to many, like infinite. How many terms you want to add in polynomial expression, they can be added into that. So some examples are here, like a cube plus 2b plus 6, 2a square plus 100b plus 1000, etc. The definition is an expression with more than one term with non-negative integral exponent of a variable. Non-negative integral exponent means that if there is variable like a square in it, 20a square, so this square, this exponential power, it should be positive only, it cannot be negative. If that this exponent will be negative, like -2 or -1000, so that will not be called polynomial expression, because there is a condition in polynomial expression that it should have only one term, more than one term, and then with non-negative integral exponent of a variable. Okay, so these were some examples of polynomial expression. This was today's lecture in which we have covered types of algebraic expressions. Let me just review it. Firstly, we did monomial, means only one term. Then binomial means two terms in an algebraic expression. In polynomial, more than one term. More than one term means two to up to many terms, infinite, how many you want to add. And in polynomial, binomial is also included. In polynomial, binomial is included. Okay, why? Because in binomial there are two terms, and in polynomial there can be more than one terms, means two terms are also included in it. So binomial is also included in polynomial. Okay, so I hope so you have got the idea of types of algebraic expressions. But if you have any query or confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.